Nurses e kaunti ma Meru bodhi ng'anyo kendo jwang'o tich ka giywago chudo koda lwasi ma ok ni kare mar tich gichiwo ndalo 14 maka onge gima otimore to biro dhuro gige tich piny kendo ng'anyo. Laktechego okone nyaka sani tend kaunti ma Meru pok ochikonegi itgi kendo onge jok ma osesudingas mar tich kuom higni 10 kata doko ni gisemedore e yor somo gikoni koro gidwaro mondo gichuo kokgi ogirimiti kod tend kaunti mapiyo kaka nyalore.
For a strike, because we have lapsed the strike of the notice that we served in the county 30th of October, and therefore we just want to notify the members of public to seek for alternative areas where they shall take their patients and all other their beloved one, because we shall not be providing services come Monday. Then Tuesday we shall all assemble at Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital and therefore proceed to our governor just to present our petition, hoping that she is going to resolve the issues. Should our issues remain to be unresolved, then we have no other option. We just want to say that this consultation, it has come as a result of yesterday correspondences that we got from our chief officer and various calls from our head of Department of Health, that they wanted withhold this matter for 1 week until they look into this issue. We want to say that we've been pursuing this matter from 26th of September. Today, we are now over 2 months down the line, and the government has not given a goodwill or shown any goodwill to resolve these issues. So you are saying, come strike, come on Monday, we are going for a strike. Now say solidarity. Solidarity.